Go on.
Okay.
Door to
Concrete,
play.
asphalt, or other hard level surface. This item may tip over if used on grass or other uneven surfaces, and serious injury could result. Never have any part of your body over the device when lighting the fuse.
Oh.
I told you not to light all of them at once. And do you listen to me? No. You just throw them. Light fuse and get away. Never relight a fuse which fails to ignite the device.
Alright, I guess we can do it.
Try it. See how bad it goes.
Put it where the cones
Yeah,
are.
we'll stay here.
Get the
Don't let Liam do it. He's such a retard with fire. You're such a retard with fire. There you go. Liam's using emotional phone.
Yep, because you're not there.
No, because you guys keep lighting things.
It's all right. Nobody's doing it. Just you can light as much as they want.
Okay, we'll see how bad
No,
it
you light
goes.
like fire.
Put it kind of where you put that cone.
I
that
just
one
like
that's
the
like a
ones that Dad set up for me.
light. Don't put it near the neighbor's house. Let's not get anything near him. Move it close to us. Don't you think?
Is that code or something?
Get out of the way.
Yeah, Liam.
You know, we might have a hose out just in case.
I got one right here.
Put it on. Yeah, but it's supposed to stay in the yard.